Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. In the previous episode, we discussed about Brahman, Paramatma and Bhagavan with one example. Now we are continuing with two examples. Krishna is complete whole. Srila Prabhupada gave another two examples. What are they? One is sun rays, sun planet and sun personality. Similarly, mountain, trees, plants, animals. Somebody is living in the houses on the mountain. One should be patient, one should be close, one should be very keen to interest to understand the absolute truth. Strong spirit of inquiry. Interest in the spiritual life is the spirit of inquiry in the right direction. Jijnasu Shreya Uttamam Tasmat Gurum Prapajyata Jijnasu Shreya Uttamam. We also ask many questions. Where you purchased this t-shirt? Can I get it for free? Or can you give for exchange? Like that. You know, so many persons, this type of questions will rise in between two persons' conversation. Or where are you working? Examine your questions. Even after coming to Krishna consciousness, we have so many impersonal tendencies. What is impersonal tendency? Everybody is same. Everything is same. You don't go deep. We will not have deeper loving exchanges with devotees. What is the way I can serve them? What is the way I can enhance their Krishna consciousness? What can make them remember Krishna? You don't have deeper questions. Even if we meet devotees, where you are coming from? What do you do? How long have you been coming? These are top three in the list. We don't have the deeper inquiry about Krishna. How are you realizing Krishna consciousness? What are your realizations about Krishna consciousness? How are you experiencing your relationship with Krishna? What are the messages you are contemplating about Krishna? Can you share that more touching to your heart, or that which you are applying? So that type of questions we don't ask. So we should not waste time in useless conversations. There should be proper inquiry. This is waste of our human energy by asking wrong questions. Scientists are asking questions. Everybody is asking questions. Children are asking number of questions. Parents are neglecting to answer to children's questions. After some time, children tend to stop asking questions. When they are neglected, they tend to stop asking questions. That means, who is materialist? One who understands material happiness is only happiness is a materialist. They think three happiness. They think actually true happiness. Even coming to Krishna consciousness, the materialist looking for prasadam, for material happiness. Prasadam is nice, facilities are comfortable, very nice, well organized, is peaceful. Similar way, you are looking for material happiness. they think this is Krishna consciousness. They go back home. They think wonderful Krishna consciousness. They understood like that. Some people, they come from perfection. Siddhi means perfection. Even Krishna consciousness, many devotees like perfection in manifestation of Krishna consciousness. Contradictions in Vedic literature are actually not contradictions. They negate a material aspect of the Lord. He has qualities. We have to think He has the qualities like us. Krishna is transcendental. We are material. Your child like Krishna, somebody thinks. Your child cannot like Krishna. Children are like God. That is all misconceptions. It is not. Krishna is Nirguna. Nirguna means Krishna does not have material qualities, Satogun, Rajogun, Tamogun, like that. He has spiritual qualities. Vedas does not waste time. By reading Srila Prabhupada books, we understand everything. So it requires Krishna's mercy to understand. If you are sincere, Krishna reveals truth from our heart, who is the right person to hear. He increases our faith in a particular person. If we are sincere, right person, Krishna is very keen to see if anybody is really serious. Lord is always blissful. When we understand Krishna is always happy, then we understood his heart. He is always blissful. Those who understood, they are also always blissful. Krishna is always blissful. If we understood Krishna, we are also always blissful. Krishna is always blissful. He wants us also experience that bliss. That is the reason to create this material world, to experience the bliss of Krishna. Whom will reveal our heart? One who is close to us. The desires are revealed to us. Who is very close to us. Krishna reveals his desires in Bhagavad Gita to understand that one should be a devotee. Lord is independently complete. We are dependently complete. If we are not dependent on Krishna, we are not complete. Complete means you can't delete something. You can't add something. We are experiencing the incomplete knowledge of the complete. That is the main point. You have to understand. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Krishna is complete. What is Krishna's love? How to understand Krishna's love? Krishna never forgot us. He never forgot us. That is his love. When you love someone, you don't forget. Then you don't love someone, they tell their name 10 times also, you forget. You don't like someone, even he tells 10 times also, you forget. Krishna's love expressed in the form of unforgetfulness. Unforgetfulness. Love means you don't forget a person. Love means you never forget a person. Forgetting or remembering is not so easy. It requires love. Even though we forgot Krishna, Krishna never forget us. He never forget us. That is the only reason we are in Krishna consciousness today. We are in Krishna consciousness today. This is the only reason. We are sustaining or surviving or continuing just for this only one reason. We have to serve Krishna just for this one reason. He loves me so much. He never forgets. The moment we forget Krishna, we go for sense gratification. This is the class today. We will continue in next class. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि।